LEXK VT2 and a 2016 Lexus IS 250. For this vehicle, it's going to be in the auxiliary source. So we're going to press the media button here, and that brought us over to auxiliary. If you want to exit it, you can just go back to like radio, for example. And then you can also access it through the source menu here by going down to auxiliary and selecting it there. And if you're in a situation where you want to listen to, like, for example, the AM/FM radio, you'll go ahead and open that source on the radio, and if you want to see the VLine 2, you can press and hold the menu button. And the VLine will be on the screen, but now we have the AM/FM audio going on. And if we want to go back, we'll just simply press and hold that menu button again, and that'll bring us back to where we were originally in the AM/FM source. We do have an option to show the factory climate control on the display of the VLine. So as you can see here, when I update it, it actually shows the temperature on top and bottom. This is good for vehicles that don't have a display like this to show it, but in this vehicle it does have that. So we're going to go ahead and turn that off. And to do that, we're going to go into the settings, and that's going to be under controls. And the top option here that says factory climate control, we'll go ahead and turn that off. And then now, as we adjust the AC, we don't have that window popping up anymore, which is exactly what we wanted. Alright, so after we install the VLite, we do always like to check the microphone gain, especially in these vehicles where we use the factory microphone. So we're going to go into the settings here, and then that'll actually be under controls. And at the bottom here, you can see it's set to 59 currently. Normally for our aftermarket microphones, we recommend that range. But in this case, we actually are using the factory microphone. So we want to turn that down a little bit, otherwise it's going to be a little too distorted. And so we've turned that down to around like the 35 range. Typically, you'll want to test this while you're on a phone call and adjust this and see what the best value is, but typically around 30 to 40 is the best that we've seen.